Ready guns. We're on our rye tournament, and this is still round number 1, blind number 4. So the contestants, new to me, old Overholt. Never tried it. 114 proof. Michters straight rye, but it's a low proof. It's only like 84 proof. Yeah, 84 proof. Don't know how well that's going to do against these guys. Knob Creek Select 115 rye. This is a Southern Spirit store pick. It's called the Wild One. It's supposed to be very spicy. So let's see how these stack up. Number 1. Very, very sweet note to this one. Very, very, very sweet, lightly spiced note. Wow. Whoa. A very long, spicy finish. Very sweet and still spicy. Woo. I would say that one's the Rye Drinker's Rye. Number 2. Just a very light, fruity nose. Very sweet. Kind of a tobacco oaky finish, not a heavy spice. Number 3. Kind of a spicy note. That is spicy. Brown sugary, spicy. Ooh, with a long finish. Much like number 1. Let me go through these again. Okay, guys. So 1 and 3 were the spiciest. They would keep you warm on a cold winter's day. Number 2, I'm pushing out first. It was pleasant, but it wasn't much to it. That's the Michters, okay? Probably a lack of proof there. Number 3 was awesome, but I got to give it to number 1. It had this incredibly long, spicy finish. It would keep you warm on a winter's day, I promise you. That would be Knob Creek, the Wild One. It goes on. Bourbon tastes like a warm summer day.